Kraken co-founder Jesse Powell shared a next emotional post on X after Binance pleaded guilty on Tuesday. In the post, he said that the current situation of the crypto industry feels a bit more fair. Powell stated that the industry has addressed two major shareholder concerns in recent years: the rapid rate of development and the apparent inability to overcome legal hurdles. And Powell shows his deep concern over the sanctioning of good companies by regulating authorities. The legal actions have cost the firms a hefty amount of money with a dwindling market share, he argues. Proceeding further, he stated that fortunately the company has long-term oriented shareholders who trust them. The statement came after Kraken reported a massive Bitcoin exchange outflow from the platform on November 21, 2023. There's assured advice. There's a good figure in which this is the co-trade. Some of these airports are given investments they have that I can do aboard, and Powell stressed the need for self-policing in the absence of prompt protection, asking for responsible industry practices. As Kraken continues discussions with the U.S. SEC for potential settlements, Powell strongly advocates for individuals to utilize and recommend the services of companies actively engaged in legal battles with the government as a means of showing support. In response to recent criticism, Powell disagrees with charges of KYC maximalism. He claims that the primary goal is to prevent unnecessary difficulties in the effort to introduce the world and then to cryptocurrency. And Powell believes that the objective is to keep opponents from winning easily, and warns against becoming distracted by side quests that require combating all of the world's crimes. That also stated the impracticality of avoiding know your customer protocols, claiming that it is not a viable position for any significant transaction. The SEC charged Kraken's parent companies in February with failing to register the offer and sale of its crypto assets. The parent companies agreed to pay $30 million in disgorgement, prejudgment interest, and civil penalties. In a November 20th complaint filed in federal court in San Francisco, the SEC accuses Kraken of operating a platform that illegally facilitates the buying and trading of cryptocurrencies since 2018. And so this came after DOJ slammed Binance with a $4 billion settlement. And Kraken pointed out in a blog post earlier this week that the CZ's assertion is false about investment contracts. Kraken stated that the statement was wrong as a matter of law, dishonest as a matter of truth, and terrible as a matter of policy. Crypto advocates like Ripple lawyer Johnny Deaton, Coinbase CISO Brian Armstrong, and many others have recently shown support to Kraken and demanded a clean chit.